gaano ka kasaya at ka-proud kay Wilbert sa kanyang 2-day sold-out concert? Grabe, wala. Yung first day, 15 minutes. Yung second day, 1 hour sold out.
Every time pinagkukwento po siya ng parang ano niya, ng achievement niya, I always say, buti naman, deserve. Kasi I really tell him that talagang maybe it's ngayon lang siya dumating, but it's really something that he really deserves. So, and lahat naman yon talagang pinaghirapan niya. It's his hard work, it's his time, and it's his patience, diba? So it's time for him to really reap what he saw. So, so I'm very excited for him. I'm very excited for everything that's exciting coming his way.
O, ano masasabi mo sa sinabi ni Bea?
Thank you. And syempre, she's very supportive naman ever since. And actually, siya yung isa sa mga taong tinawagan ko habang umiiyak ako nung the moment na yung 15, nalaman ko 15 minutes, tinawagan ko agad siya. Binalita ko sa kanya. And then, she said, congrats, and she's really happy for me, gano'n, na-deserve ko. Yun. So, thank you.
Will you be part of his concert?
We'll see.
Yeah. May pasabog. Ano pasabog ni Wilbert sa concert?
Tingnan na natin. Basta ang alam ko, we will not announce any guests publicly. So, kasi ano siya eh, like, syempre,
Correct.
concert ko, so dapat ako lang yung parang ay iaasahan nila, like hindi sila pupunta for other people.
Correct.
It's my story, it's my, ano yung 10 years na pinagdaan ng showbiz at my songs na nasulat.
Gano'n ka hands-on?
Yes, sobra.
Sobra.
Ako yung gumawa mismo ng pinaka-flow,
Wow.
ng lahat, ng idea, ng pinaka-concert.
Oo. Anong aabangan sa inyo after the hit? Grabe yung...
Ako, this is like parang first time kong ganito ka-hype. And for sure si Bea, matagal naman na siyang hindi, Bea Benene. And more on naninibago at some point. Siyempre, kalakip ng medyo mas madami na yung sumusuporta, dumadami din yung parang bashers or mga negative na mga bagay. So, ayun, nasasanay lang din at nire-remind ko yung sarili ko na focus na sa arts ko at sa music ko.
Ako po, I'm just really very grateful. Ramdam ko, personally, I'm speaking for myself, I really feel the difference before and after GSOT, and the love that we're getting, talagang mas nararamdaman namin na palaki ng palaki yung family. I call them family. Palaki ng palaki yung family, padami ng padami yung members, and I'm just really very grateful that the amount of support that they're getting, lahat ng financially, physically, spiritually, kasi sinasabi nila they pray for us, and I'm just really very, very, very grateful. And I hope that this is just the start. I really pray that this is just the start of something beautiful for everyone.